All right, make sure you have your fast math packets, first graders, and you can turn so you're doing number 6 today. So the bus with the number 6 on it. All right, let's get started. Number 1 says, how many cats are there? So circle the number of cats. How many do you see? Circle that number. Number 2 says, put an X on the longest pencil. So which one of those is the longest? The next part, you need to do this little maze and fill in the answer. So you're going to start here, 1 plus 1, and then put that answer there. Then you're going to add that plus 3 equals what? Then that answer minus 1 equals what? And then you have to think what minus 3 equals that answer. Okay, so that's kind of tricky. See if you can do it. Push pause if you need more time to think about it and write those answers down and to figure it out. The bottom part says, Mary had 4 goldfish. Her mother bought her some more. What's our trick? What's our clue? Now she has 7. How many did her mother buy her? All right, if you are ready to fill that out, go ahead and do that. You can push pause to wait, and then let's correct it. So the first part says, how many cats? There are 4. Put an X on the longest pencil. That is this one. It is the longest. All right, let's try this maze. It's kind of tricky. So we're starting here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. You got it? So we're going to put our 2 here. Now we're going to add 2 plus 3. What is 2? And then you add 3 more. And you have 5. Good. Now you're going to take away 1. So 5 minus 1. So you have 5, take away 1. How many do you have left? 4. Okay, now this is the trickiest part, I think. How many take away 4, or take away 3 equals 4? Well, we know from our fact families, we could actually just do the opposite. And instead of doing something minus 3, we could do 4 plus 3 to give us the whole. Let's try it. 4 and 3 more is 4, 5, 6, 7. So this answer would be 7. Now let's double check it. 7 minus 3, 1, 2, 3 equals 4. We got it. Nice job. All right, down below says, Mary had 4 goldfish. Her mother bought her some more. Now she has 7. How many did her mother buy her? So our clue is more, and that means we are going to add. You got it. The numbers we know are 4 and 7. Now, this one is kind of a tricky one. I want you to listen carefully because it's going to be different than ones we've done in the past. It says, Mary had 4 goldfish. Her mother bought her some more. So we don't know how many her mother bought her. It just says some. And then our answer is she now has 7. So when we write this out, we're going to start with 4. And we're going to add some, but we don't know how many. So we put our box right here when we don't know how many we're adding. And then at the end, she has 7. So right now, show me 4 fingers. I need to know how many more fingers I need to get to 7. Well, I know that this many is 7, so I just added 1, 2, 3 fingers. So her mother bought her 7 goldfish. So how many did her mother buy her? She bought, or I'll say she got her 7 fish. Make sure you're making it a complete sentence with a period at the end. And you are done. Nice job, first graders.